2023 BMW X2. BMW X2 Expert Review. Billy Rebach. BMW splits the difference between subcompact crossover and hot hatch with the X2, which carries over into 2023 with slight updates. New for this year is the X2 Edition Goldplay that adds eye-popping gold accents among other changes to the crossover. The X2 battles it out in the hot luxury subcompact crossover segment with the Audi Q3, Jaguar E-Pace, Mercedes-Benz GLA Class, and Volvo XC40. Collapse all. What's new? Chevron. Ride height reduced by 10 mm with M Sport package. M Sport steering with M Sport package. X2 Edition Goldplay. What we think. With brisk acceleration and fun handling characteristics, the BMW X2 gives off strong hot hatchback vibes. We're fond of its sporty styling and impressive driving dynamics. For those that want more power and performance, BMW offers the explosive X2 m35i xDrive. The downside is that the X2 gives up comfort and quiet, especially when equipped with larger wheel options. The interior is also compromised due to the packaging constraints that arose as a result of making the X1 on which it is based more coupe-like. Rear seat room is limited and cargo space is smaller than ideal for a crossover. We spent a year with a 2018 BMW X2 and were largely left impressed with our long-term tester. Its frugal 4-cylinder engine and savvy 8-speed automatic transmission allowed our X2 to travel 400 miles on a single tank. Its HVAC system was less capable. On hot days in the desert and on cold nights the X2 struggled to maintain the right temperature in the cabin. It would either make the interior too hot or too cold. Those who prize style and fun above all else will find a great match in the X2. However, those looking for a crossover that places greater emphasis on utility would be better served checking out the Volvo XC40, Audi Q3, or the Mercedes-Benz GLB class. Performance and fuel economy. BMW offers the X2 with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that develops 228 HP and 258 lb-ft of torque and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The standard S-Drive 28i is FWD and the X-Drive 28i model uses BMW's AWD system. The former managed the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in 6.4 seconds while the latter accomplished the same feat in 6.3 seconds. The EPA rates the X2 at 24/3132 mpg city/highway, 2022 figures. If the regular X2 has hot hatch characteristics, then the X2 m35i is much more akin to a mega hatchback. Like the X2 S-Drive 28i and X-Drive 28i, it uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, but in this higher performance model the engine develops 302 HP and 332 lb-ft of torque. It only comes equipped with AWD and can blitz from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a manufacturer-claimed 4.7 seconds. Fuel economy suffers slightly from the higher output specification, but an EPA-rated 23/30 mpg, 2022, is only slightly off from the X-Drive 28i's fuel economy figures. 2023 X2 Edition Goldplay. For those that really want to stand out from the rest of the crossovers in the grocery store parking lot, BMW offers the 2023 X2 Edition Goldplay, which comes slathered in unique San Remo green metallic paint and is accented with galvanic gold and high-gloss black from BMW's Shadowline trim. It gains performance upgrades, too, in the form of a 10 mm suspension drop and BMW's M Sport steering poached from the M Sport package. The M Aerodynamics package is also equipped to give the X2 Edition Goldplay a sportier look. 19-inch wheels with galvanic gold inserts are standard, but BMW offers 20-inch M Aerodynamic wheels as an option for buyers who want to flex extra hard. The interior gets a working over with door sills that match the mesh grille and galvanic gold edition badging. Graphics cover the cabin that match the details on the outside of the crossover. BMW also applied gold contrast stitching to nearly every element of the interior. To top it off, The floor mats also get Jello Oro trim. Safety ratings and features. For 2022, the BMW X2 received the highest rating of good from the IIHS for every category of crashworthiness. Its headlights were rated as acceptable, which is the second highest rating. Its active safety technology was given the mid-level advanced rating. The NHTSA did not rate the X2. Every X2 comes equipped with rain-sensing wipers and curve-adaptive LED headlights. BMW also includes automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning as standard equipment. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality and hands-free driving are available as a standalone option, as is parking assistant. Cargo space and interior room. Interior space in the X2 is cramped compared to competitors like the Volvo XC40 and Audi Q3. With the rear seats up, its cargo space falls in the middle of pack, however. Legroom, front/rear, cargo space, seats up/down. 2023 BMW X2 40.3/36.7 inches 21.6/50.1 cubic feet. 2022 Volvo XC40 40.9/39.1 inches 20.7/57.5 cubic feet. 2022 Audi Q3 40.0/39.1 inches 23.7/48.0 cubic feet. Technology. An 8.8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay is standard equipment on the BMW X2. Android Auto is not available on any version of the subcompact crossover. Tick the box for the premium package, and BMW swaps in a bigger 10.3-inch screen and adds a head-up display. A 7-speaker audio system comes equipped on all versions of the X2. Wireless charging and a Wi-Fi hotspot are bundled together as a single option. Recommended trim. We recommend the BMW X2 xDrive 28i with the convenience package. AWD ensures that the X2 has the additional utility that buyers expect from a crossover, while the convenience package adds important luxury features such as a panoramic moonroof, keyless entry, powered front seats with lumbar support, a universal garage door opener, power folding mirrors, ambient interior lighting, and auto-dimming mirrors. Key competitors: Mercedes-Benz GLA Class, Audi Q3, Jaguar E-Pace, Volvo XC40.